What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Palm Springs. I'm going to take you guys around. We'll do a walk around Palm Springs, and we'll check everything out and see if there's any good food to have. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the video. Let's try the spicy tofu. We're gonna grab some rice. Grab some of this tofu. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That one's really good. That one's really good. Not too spicy. From 1 to 5, I'd probably say this is like a 1.5 spicy. 10 tastes spicy, but it's not really spicy. Overall flavor is very good. Let's try the pad thai. Get some noodles. We'll get one of these shrimp, and let's try the pad thai. This one's also good. Not spicy at all. On the spicy scale, you're looking at like almost a 0. On the flavor scale, it is very flavorful. Shrimp is very tender. Chicken is very good. Overall sauciness is very good. Oh my god, give this one a thumbs up. I don't know why it comes with rice.
Ethan ordered it.
Oh, okay. My son ordered the rice because I'm like, pad thai normally doesn't come with rice.
It's supposed to come with spring rolls.
But this one does. So it's actually supposed to come with spring rolls, I'm told. My son said no spring rolls and get rice, so that's the way this one came with rice. But overall, this one's good too. Let's try this curry. The curry is okay. I don't hate it. I don't necessarily love it, but I don't hate it. I don't think they have enough coconut milk in here, and it's kind of watery. On the spice scale, it's supposed to be a 2 spice. This is more like a 1, maybe a half. It's not very spicy. I would pass on this. This is not worth it. I still would eat it, but I would pass. So get the pad thai, get the spicy tofu. Those are both great. If you had a choice on the appetizers, make sure you get the salad. So I would get those. You do get free iced tea, so that's cool. Okay, go with him.
This is the pad thai.
You ordered it. You ordered it?
It looks really good. It looks, I don't know why it's orange, but let's try. It's good, but it's not like good. It's not like good. I'm guessing the shrimp is good because shrimp tastes like shrimp.
Thumbs up or thumbs down? What do you give it?
1 out of 10.
Probably 8.5.
Okay, good. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up. Excellent. Well, we just got done with lunch, eating at Thai Smile, and overall the experience was really good. The staff was really good. They were really friendly, always on top of the refills. So I give this place a thumbs up to go to. So when you come by here, just check them out. Let's try the crepes. Very good. Not too sweet, very subtle. The crepe batter is actually really good. Very tender, it's not very doughy, so she did a very good job. It's very thin, just good enough to hold everything, and then you can really taste everything else. So, good place. Thumbs up. I like it. Just got done eating at Crepes De Paris, and I have to say it was really good. Let's see, the crepes were $10, and the ice cream I believe was $3, so it came out to be about $13. I'm in the middle of Palm Springs, so $13 isn't bad. Pretty good. I do recommend. Leave notes in the comments down below. So we stopped at the Desert Premium Outlets over here near Palm Springs, and we ran into some street tacos. So I just want to try them out. First we got the tiger tacos, and then we got the tom yum tacos, right? So the tiger tacos come with beef, and then the tom yum tacos are like a shrimp. So let's give it a try. All right. So first we're gonna try the tiger tacos without the green sauce. So let's go. Wow. It has a punch of flavor. I like that a lot. All right, so this is with the green sauce. Oh yeah, get the green sauce, man. Add some kick, some spice, and some lime. Full thumbs up. This one is really good, really good. Now we're gonna try the tom yum shrimp. So it looks like it has the same toppings on top. But just has a different sauce, and then also shrimp instead of beef, but kind of looks similar. It's okay. Definitely has a tom yum flavor in it. So if you like tom yum, like the soup, this actually, that's what it tastes like. Earlier today we had tom yum soup, and this actually tastes more like tom yum soup than the actual soup a bit. So if this could be a soup, I would give this a thumbs up. But all in all, it has really good flavor. Like I said, it is a tom yum taco, so this is good. Let's try it with green sauce. It's okay. It's okay. If you would choose one or the other, I would definitely do this one, the tiger tacos over the tom yum tacos. So I had to come back because I'm still amazed by these tacos. So these tacos for the set. So we ordered 2 orders, right? We got the tom yum tacos and we got the tiger tacos, and they're $30. These are not cheap tacos. Okay, so I had high hopes for these tacos, and I thought I was going to be very disappointed. But the flavor is amazing. Okay, so if you want to spend $30 for 4 tacos, come on by West. It's on the West End. I'll make sure to include links. But man, I am not disappointed. This is really good. This is really good. I do like them.